How to contact BlaBlaCar Driver. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can contact BlaBlaCar Driver. So how do you do this? The first step is to sign in into your BlaBlaCar account. Once you're signed in into your BlaBlaCar account, you can see the BlaBlaCar logo. Next to it, you can see the two kind of rides available, which include carpool and then bus. And then by the right side, you'll see options like search, publish a ride, then your account icon. As you can see this, at the lower part of the screen, you can see a box displaying options like leaving from, going to, today, and then etc. By the time you scroll down, you'll see other functions on the BlaBlaCar account. So now the next step is to navigate through to your help center. This is because you can only contact the BlaBlaCar driver by visiting the help center. And how do you do this? By scrolling down to the end part of the page. So by the time you scroll down, you'll see options like all directories, top carpool route, top bus route, about, and then just click on help center. Now, after clicking on help center, you'll be taken to the help centers page. On this page, you'll see options like passenger, driver, your profile, and account. So you have to choose the kind of help that you need. Now, if it's searching and booking, if it's you're contacting, if it's your booking, if it's your payment, refund and pricing, just select the one you want. And then you can see on here contacting a driver that booking a ride. If that is what you want, just select it, read through the information, and then you can see the information included in this article, which is contacting the driver, exchanging information if the driver isn't responding. So you can just read through the on-screen instruction so that you can know what to do. All right, and from there you will be directed on how you can contact the BlaBlaCar driver. So that's how it works. This is how you can contact BlaBlaCar driver. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.